Step 3 of the Math Enhanced lesson is to work through a math problem that is embedded within the CTE lesson. We are trying to teach math in the context of CTE. Once again, the Math Enhanced lesson is not designed to turn your class into a math course. You are an architecture teacher in CTE. Your focus should be on architecture and CTE. So the first math that we are going to go through, the first math problems we're actually going to do, need to resemble or really be the same type of problems that the students are going to be asked to perform later on in Step 7. So in Step 7, you're going to ask your students on the final project, on the final assignment or whatever, to do some architectural task that requires a bit of math. What you're going to do is show them how an architect would do that math in an architectural context. So for example, going back to our lesson plan about the stairs, you see, work through the math example embedded in the lesson. That's the step that we are on. You have the teacher laying out on graph paper using the same vocabulary, but actually going through and doing an architectural problem. They're going to be calculating the rise and the run of the different risers that make up the stairs, showing the actual layout of the stairs, and then talking about them in the context of how architects or how you are planning out stairs on an actual job site. We do not want to solve slope and rise and run type problems just in the math context because we want the students to identify these problems as CTE problems. So they're going to do this problem with your help. You're going to go through this with them in the context of your CTE class. Show them how you would do the math in your classroom.